kid from Pally Town with a brand new world to see. I don't know what's ahead, but it won't get the best of me. There's so much to learn and battles to be won. I've advanced so far and still there's always more to come. Take a step and I'm on my way. Gonna start all over again. I wanna be a hero. Pokemon advance. I'm on my way. I wanna be a hero. Give me just one chance. In the future we'll decide if there's a hero buried deep inside. I wanna be a hero. Pokemon. Pokemon. Every trainer has a choice to listen to that voice inside. I know the battle may be long, the winners may have come and gone, but I will carry on. Yeah, this dream will last forever. This dream will never die. We will rise to meet the challenge every time. Yeah, this dream keeps us together. This know that you and I will be the best that the world's ever seen. Because we always will follow this dream. Pokemon. Oh, I'm unbeatable. Walking down this endless highway with nothing but my friends beside me. We'll never give in.
and welcome back to Emerald LP. In the last episode, we faced Wally, and we discovered a glitch that I absolutely don't like. Yes, that one. The one when you try to jump off the cliffs, you end up on here. That's the glitch I'm talking about. It is so annoying. Now, I didn't have this problem in the cartridge, thank goodness, but still, that is... And when... Yes, I want to escape. I'm glad I had dig. At least it's somewhat avoidable. That was just too glitchy for me. I think it's safe to call it Glitchy Road from now on. Jeez. No escape ropes. How'd that happen on the... Since this was the emulator, there would have been a way for me to get up. Now, on the actual cartridge, that's a different story. As I probably wouldn't have my escape ropes. But I haven't taught dig yet to anybody, so I would have done what I did. I would have did the same thing. Probably taught dig to... So, it's a good thing I waited for dig. Jeez, I don't even know how or why that happens. Now this is where you find Wally. Getting stage fright, huh? So, it's got a swallow. I didn't bring swallow with me. Oops. A forest stop. Okay. I'll quick attack you for that. I'll quick attack you. Sure. No. He can't fight. He's not a fighter. I knew it would have survived on the actual cartridge. Synchronize. Ah, oh, that glitch. Oh, there's a wallet. Yes, you can find that here in Victory Road. What, that thing's not dead? And you missed. I couldn't do a thing. Well, I'm sorry. Well, if you do this right, like we just did, you can get a forest store. Yay! And you go down here. Why do I think... Why do I feel like there's an item around here? Oh, there's not. Anyway, next floor. You shouldn't get complacent because you got a lot of gym badges. There's always somebody that's better than you. And who might that be that's better than me? Hmm? Yes. Forgot. Walter. Well, Walter, I know you're gonna die, but at least you did your duty. Oops, I forgot about flash fire. My bad. Yes, I know it's super effective. I knew Walter didn't stand a chance. You don't stand a chance against it either. You're better than me. Yeah, I kinda am. Continuing on. Oh, that's right, you also need surf. I forgot to mention that you need surf as well. I'm gonna go back and heal. And meet you guys back here. We're back from healing. Now, just go up. Go up here. And we get psychic. 3 precarious rocks. Why does this give me the feeling... Oh, there actually is no items. I thought maybe, and then I'm like, nuh-uh. Walter, you get to go up front. Yes, I'm a toughie. I am. Ooh, look at me. I'm Mr. Tough Boy. A Kecleon, huh? Alright, I'll make you a electric type Pokemon. Of course. And that was a good choice, buddy. Wait, what? Can you spell perfect revenge? It's a big whale. I'm a whale. I'm a whale. That's the evolutions of Whelmore. That's what we need to get. We need to try and get ourselves a whale lord. Oh yeah. It's back to the normal type. Yeah. Should we make it fire type? No. We'll make it the flying type. This little shrimp is tough. Yes, I know. You don't want to jump down there unless you're going back to heal. And since it's actually a cliff going down, you don't have to worry about that glitch. That's so annoying. I'm going back to heal. Anyways, we're back. So we have a double battle here. Walter, get in there. Blaziken. That was smart. That really was. You killed my Blaziken. How could you be so cruel? Stupid earthquake. Giga drain that puppy. Yes, I am getting tired. Nice observation, buddy. Uh-oh. You've paralyzed me. Oh, spikes, huh? A Sableye? Okay, this is why we need Waterfall. Was to get up this waterfall. And there's one on the other side there. I trained together with my whole family, every one of us. I'm not losing to anybody. So, apparently, you can do it without Waterfall. Because you don't need Waterfall to go down a waterfall. That wasn't introduced until 4th gen. 4th gen, to go down a waterfall, your Pokemon actually had to needed to know the move Waterfall. Why they did it that way, I do not know. I know you're paralyzed. That's kind of shifty of you, ha. Alright, do the job, Swamp Rat. Wait, why did I use Endeavor? Better than my family, is that possible? Yeah, it is, apparently. Full heal. So that's what you needed Waterfall for. Was to get up there. And actually, it is faster than to get to the area you need to be, which is right here. So we're out of time again. So next time on 511 U27778's Emerald Adventure, we are going to try and finish off exploring Victor Road. Until then, bye-bye.